So guys, free mat cleaning. See how it works. So guys, here we are again. We're gonna do another cleaning. We did the hood struts. We also did the cabin filter, which is under here. You're gonna need to remove these screws. All right, you're gonna need to remove that. Snap this panel off right here. All right, and there are a couple of screws under here, which need to remove to do the cabin air filter. But as you can see, we did a little more work on the interior. Still not as in depth as I'd like it, but we are gonna do another exterior wash of this bad boy. All right, so keep it posted. So guys, this is the outcome. A little better. Gotta get those taken care of. And I've been toying with actually just doing a respray on this, because we have a few nicks there. All right, so talk to you soon. Also, brand new brakes. All around. Decided not to go with the drilled and slotted on these. Alright. So guys, now we're heading on base. I'm going to go check on the F450 camper ambulance conversion. I was able to secure RV parking in one of the RV spots, locations and base, so that way I wouldn't be taking up too much space in front of the house, so we'll have more room for more projects. Alright guys, so I will keep you posted. Oops. Oh, that's too far. Alright. Thank you. Alright.
I'm full.
Alright.
Yep. Drink mostly won't be up.
Alright, hang on. Recording here, son.
Okay.
Alright guys, so we are heading over to the RV section, one of the RV sections here in base, to go check on the camper ambulance, and that's a 2008 Ford F450 ambulance to RV conversion. So like I was saying, secured parking over here, so we wouldn't take up that much space at the house. This gives us more opportunities to park more projects, and you know how that goes. Parked it almost over a week now, and of course, sure enough, I wasn't planning on coming over here today, but I left the key for it, so that's how it goes. And as you can see, guys, we are in the Infiniti FX35. Cleaned it up. So far, so good. Doing well. Got new brakes on. Got the hood struts done. The cabin filter there done, and I'd like to get some new tires put on, but beside that, you know, that should wrap this project up for now. And also want to get probably a refresh on the paint, you know, get the small dents or whatever out of the body, scratches, stuff like that, make it look the part. as I said, guys, this is the smaller RV section, you know, for your 20 foot and below or around there. There's another section that has, you know, the big boys, the buses, and there she is. I know that one is a big one, but here she is, guys. Just gonna take you outside, take a quick look around. This is it. Well, kind of backed up there next to that boat. But this was a good look as far as getting the spot on base. Of course, you know, we gotta represent Semper Paratus. Camp Billings, and we're due for a trip in this soon, guys, so we'll keep you posted on that. But aside from that, that was it. We got a few spots here for the smaller RVs. Yeah, but love this one right here. Drives pretty well. You know, the F450s, and like I mentioned in many videos before, you know, this one was bulletproofed. You know, it got the DPF delete. Also has the EGR delete, which were some of the shortcomings on the diesel platform. And these 4.6 liters, but so far so good. Alright guys, keep you posted. One Key Car Garage out.